to Fallout 4, and I just found 2 new power armors. Which is gonna be pretty cool. I'm gonna take them later. Let's quick save. Let's check around this place. Weird place. What? Okay, wait. What was that? Did I just hear a voice come out of a fridge? And what is that noise? Fridge. Talking fridge.
Is someone in there?
Let me out!
Who are you?
My name is Billy. Please. I've been trapped in here for so long.
So long. Might be lying. How did this happen?
How did you end up in there?
I hid in here to get away from the bomb. But there isn't a handle on the inside, and it's really dark in here.
The bombs were over 200 years ago. You're that old?
I don't know how long I've been in here.
Oh God.
Long time, though. A really long time. Please. I don't want to die in here.
Why should I trust you?
I'm really tired and lonely. Can you just open the door?
Okay. I'll let you out.
Yes. I've been stuck in here for so long. Hurry up. Shoot the door off. Who's there? Let me out.
Okay.
I'm just looking for the mayonnaise. Maybe you could grab it for me. Second shelf, right next to the pudding.
That's not funny. That's not funny at all. What kind of horrible person would say that to a kid stuck in a refrigerator?
I know. How can I trust you?
Faith pudding a long time ago.
Let me open the door for you.
Yes. It's been so long. The door is stuck.
Okay.
You're gonna have to shoot.
There! Die!
So stiff.
Ugh. He's ugly. Wait a minute. His name is Billy? My name is Billy in the game. No! I don't look like that. I look way better. No!
Hey, Billy.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You look like something that was left in the fridge too long.
Oh, yeah? Well, never mind. Can you help me get back home?
Your parents
I
are
hate to tell you this, but your parents are probably dead.
Dead?
Oh,
I
poor
don't think
kid.
so.
He's ugly
Then I'm
anyways.
all alone. Who's going to take care of me?
No. You're not. Fine. Find a old home. Travel with me. Okay, fine.
You can travel with me, see the world, or what's left of it.
So you think I should give up trying to find my parents?
Yeah. Find your parents.
You should look for your parents.
Then let's go to Quincy. I gotta find out what happened to my mom and dad.
Take Billy home. Is he following me or something? He follows me. Okay. Cool. There's a power armor in there. And I got a new power armor set right here. Okay, this is deep. That's probably new. I don't have swim, so I'll come back to that. Later, I guess? Quincy. What? What? Billy, what the heck? You're so scared. But it's just a cute little Kate. Wait. Weird. Okay, let's see where we can find Queen. Wait. Okay, Billy's home isn't that far. Let's go this way. Maybe we can make it there in time before this video ends. Here, nothing useful. That's Quincy. Right? I'm just gonna quick save every time because I found there's gonna be some ghouls around this part. Crabs. Crab! What the heck? What's that? What's that? Oh god. Oh god, oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh god. Oh god! Oh no. Billy! I didn't bring many good weapons, did I? Yeah, I'm pretty stupid. Oh, whoa! Let's take some. This, not stealth boy. I don't even know what that is. Stealth boy. Have any food? You. Kill this dog meat. Find whatever that guy's name is. What? Run! Run! You should have stayed in that fridge. I shouldn't have trusted him. Are you behind me? No. They are killing my friend. And he's... This would be a good time to just get food in my tummy. Oh, I know what I'm doing. Guys. Why did I never get any good weapons? Why am I so dumb? Pretty much dead. I'm dead.